afternoon, everyone. It's Jamie here. It's Saturday, the 15th of February, and as you can see, it's a nice, beautiful day out here. But a couple of days ago, we had rain, and as you can see, we got right at 1 inch of rain, and it was over like a 24-hour period of time. So it was good soaking rain, not enough to see anything go in the swells. So maybe one day we'll get to see these swells work. Now, like I said before, I've seen these lower ones work, but the ones up top, I'm still anxiously waiting to see. So today is February the 17th, which means it's our 3-year anniversary. We pulled up here 3 years ago, and it's been an adventure since then. We've seen major changes. Our first year here, we got 7 inches, close to 8 inches of rain. Had a nice wet winter and had super bloom the following year. And since then, it has been dry. We finally got our first rain this year, and it was an inch, as I said in the previous clip. And I'm still patiently waiting. But it's February, so the rains usually come between now and right about May is when we get our last full bloom, our full rain event. And hopefully this year we have a monsoon season. But I'm just looking over the stuff I put in on this side of the bus in the last year or so. And it looks amazing to me. Now, everything out here is kind of slow in its process. I mean, we have extreme heat, extreme wind, no rain. And so things just don't super explode. But they will. And I know they will. I have confidence in that. And like I said before, if you think you can, you're correct. If you think you can't, you're correct. So we'll see how it goes. But wanted to give y'all a little update here on the 17th. More to come. Today's the 19th of February, about a week after it's rained. And I was out here looking for signs of life. I don't know if you guys can see these, but we've got daikons popping up in various places, which is a good thing. We have mustards popping up over here. So we have signs of life. It's Saturday the 22nd. It was a cloudy, but overall nice. 77 today. Going to be 80 tomorrow and throughout the week. But I wanted to show you this. We piled up a bunch of goat droppings last year and just left it right here in the middle of this walkway, and we walked on it and it's rained on and everything else. But we kind of tried the composting in place. And I want to show you the results. I mean, that looks good. And you notice it's still damp. That's almost 10 days after it rained. So that's nice. And I've been spreading it around the garden. Here we have more signs of life. These are the coyote gourds coming up. And we've had others. The poplar trees are starting to get their little nubs on them. We have, just to give you an idea, this is what I can see really good. That's coming up. Our pomegranate trees are starting to leaf out. So everything is starting to wake up. The butterfly bush wintered really well, so that's nice. Nectarine are getting its little buds. Now what we're hoping and praying for is that we don't get a surprise winter coming back. The forecast for the next 15 days shows it in the 80s and 70s, lows in the 50s. So we're praying that we don't get a surprise winter like we've had a couple of times. But I'll let you know how things are going.